From Mexico to the world ant. In Oaxaca there is a honey ant existe known so because its tummy is filled with a delicious honey that you can extract and then let go to the little ant. In the Oaxaca villages it is known as chindudas and is a variety of ant that produce honey only that instead of depositing it in a honeycomb, generate a bag next to its stomach that inflates outwards while being filled with the sweet flavor, which extracted overnight of floral nectars. They belong to desert areas and can be found in some communities, especially in the Mixteca area, when there is no rain. They are known by different names: chindudas, teocondudi, botias, teocoentudi, variant of Mixteco meaning honey ant, bonitos, binguinas, among others, as the name varies in different villages.